Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Before I even start this video, I would really ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys receive regular updates of whenever I'm uploading any new video. Coming back to the topic of this video, today I will be telling you guys all the details that you need to know about this new BBA course in Christ University. From the year 2021, Christ University has added one more BBA course to its list of already a lot of BBA courses, and I think it is very important for each one of you to know all the important details about this course. However, I've already made a detailed video on all the courses of BBA and BCom which Christ University offers, so make sure you check that video out. It has all the details that you need to know about BBA FNA, BBA FNIB, BBA Honors, BBA in general, as well as BCom, BCom Professional, BCom Morning, BCom Honors. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. So the name of this new BBA course is BBA Decision Science, which is Bachelor's of Business Administration Decision Science. This is an industry integrated course. I will be telling you all the details about this course in the next few slides. Coming to the key highlights of this particular course is that this is an apprenticeship based program. For all those who don't know what an apprenticeship based program is, so basically this is one of the programs which is a very Western concept which is followed by a lot of universities abroad, wherein the student studies it for 3 days in the university and works for the remaining 3 days in a particular company and trying to implement all that he or she is learning through the program. So this is just like a hands-on experience that you get where you're studying as well as you're working with the firm. And this is one of its kind program that Christ University is offering to all its students from the year 2021. As you all would know, as per the new government policies, the government and the UGC has been pushing the universities to bring up more such programs like these, wherein the programs are very skill based, and this is one such program. Another highlight of this course is that it is everything related to data science. As you all know guys, the future of today and tomorrow is data science, and data is everything. And this particular course will teach you to how to manage data, interpret data and analyze data in the best possible manner. The outcome of this course is that you will become a data scientist, a data engineer and a kind of a problem solver which is one of its kind, because you would be using data to solve all the kind of problems. Another third highlight of this particular course is that it has a guaranteed employment. Yes guys, I am not lying. After you are completed with the 3 years of your course as well as the apprenticeship program, you would get a guaranteed employment. Like I said at the start of this video, that this is an apprenticeship based program, which means that it is industry integrated, and Christ University has collaborated and partnered with one such huge firm which is going to guarantee you apprenticeship as well as guaranteeing you employment after the completion of the 3 years and after the completion of this BBA Decision Science course. So the name of this particular company is Mu Sigma. The tagline is do the math. For all those who don't know, this is a decision sciences and big data analytics firm. It is headquartered in Bangalore and it started in the year 2004. Basically what it does is that this company has developed softwares and algorithms which would help the people analyze data in the best possible manner, and that is what they use in solving all the problems that their clients have. And you know, their clients are huge entities such as Amazon, Google, Facebook. All these people come up with the problems, and companies like Mu Sigma, taking all the decision and using their platform in the best possible manner, tries to solve the problems and help company make the decision through data. Coming to the other details of this course is that the fees of this course is rupees 2,20,000 per year. This is just the tuition fees. So by the end of 3 years, you would be paying Christ University approximately 6,60,000 rupees. The eligibility criteria for this course is that the people who've scored 60% and above in their class 12 can apply for this program. Along with that, this course is very welcoming to people from all kind of background. If you have a mathematics background, if you have a science background, if you have a commerce background, you are eligible for this course and you can apply for this course. Another thing is that the selection process of this course, just like any other course at Christ University, is that it is based on entrance test, which is the CUET, based on the personal interview, micro presentation, and yes, they will be having a look at your academic performance, which means the marks that you've scored in your class 10th and your class 12th. In general guys, I personally feel that since this is a new course, getting admission in this course would be easier in comparison to the other courses, because nobody wants to take the risk and take the first jump when it comes to any new course at Christ University. However, my general advice to all you people is that only take up this course if you're actually passionate about decision science, about data analytics, about big data, because that's when you'll be able to make the most of it. As you all would know, the best part about this course is like the employment is guaranteed and they will be paying you good money to work in the firm. So again, it's a great thing that whatever money you're investing, the money is safe and secure, because after 3 years you would get a job and you would start paying back the money that you've taken from your parents, and or if you've taken a loan. So yes, that's about it for this video, guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, questions or queries, make sure you comment below so that I can reply to the same. Likewise, please share this video and spread a word about my channel to each and everybody possible. Please share my videos on your class group, put it on your Instagram and share it with everybody whom you think will be beneficial out of watching my videos. Last but not the least, please guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys receive regular notifications of whenever I'm uploading a new video. See you soon with another video. Take care. Bye bye.